how to add multiple cities clock to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, you want to touch and hold. Next, tap on the edit button at the top left corner. From the pop-up, tap on add widget. Now in here, we then scroll down and tap on clock. After that, swipe to the left until you see it said wall clock. Now there are two different wall clock widgets. In here we've got a square wall clock widget, and then we've got another rectangle widget which has more information on it. Now select a style, a widget style, and then tap on add widget, and this will allow you to add the widget to the home screen. After that, tap on the widget so that you can customize the cities within that widget. So here we can tap on USA, and then we can change it to Cork, Ireland, and then we can tap on Tokyo, Japan, and then we can change it to Toronto, Canada, and so on. Now, if you would like to change the order of the city, you can do so by dragging on this three horizontal line, and then you can move it up or down to rearrange the city. So touch and hold, and then drag it up or down to rearrange the order of the clock. And that's it. After that, tap outside the box to save the changes. And that's it. Now tap on done to finished. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.